You get paid on Friday, buy food, games, rides, and subscriptions all weekend, then by Tuesday, your money is basically gone. That's exactly why budgets matter. A budget is simply a plan for your money. Instead of wondering where it went, you decide ahead of time where it should go. Every budget starts with one idea: income versus expenses. Income is money coming in, like a paycheck, allowance, or babysitting money. Expenses are money going out, like snacks, gas, streaming services, or clothes. If your expenses are higher than your income, you're losing money. One simple system is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to needs like transportation or school costs. 30% goes to wants like eating out or gaming. 20% goes to savings. If you make $100, that means 50 for needs, 30 for wants, and 20 saved for future goals or emergencies.